saying goodbye to our cute hotel room, but I'm so excited because I'm taking home a robe and Dash, he's totally coming home with us. We already took his tag off like the moment we got here. But I'm gonna miss that pineapple pillow.
That's a nice one.
Check out how cute it is in here. It's actually pretty big. The line winds around, but it's like a fun menu. Jake, are you excited about this?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some donuts and chai.
Ooh, that sounds real good.
Yeah.
How fun is this? And look, they even have little books that you can read. Here's the kitchen. There's the long lines wrapping around. They have cute shirt merchandise. There's fun details in here. If it's your birthday, you can get donuts. Who got free donuts?
I got them.
Cute, Jake. What is it?
It's a sticker. Alright, Kelsey's got a hot chocolate, I got a chai, and look at these donuts. And look, Kelsey grabbed a nice little book to read.
Yep, they had a bunch over in the corner. Had to get it for a photo.
Yum, look at
Hey,
those
I'm excited
donuts.
to try these. I don't remember what all the flavors were.
I know what they are.
The maple bacon I was excited about.
That's this one.
It looks like a really, really good hot chocolate. It is, it's frothy.
Yum.
Yeah, really good. Just enjoyed our donuts. We're gonna cross.
12 free ones.
We did, that was so awesome. I'm gonna put my hood on because it's raining out. Oh, they're letting us go. Thanks, nice people. Okay, so Jake, what's your review?
Those donuts were really tasty.
Yeah?
Yeah, my favorite one was the bacon maple.
That was mine too because it had like a bacon jam in it that was super
so
super
yummy.
good. Yeah, but that was so cool that we got a free box of donuts for Jake's birthday, so that was really fun. But we got a to-go box. Let's open that up.
Oh, it just got the same amount of each.
Look how cute, and on it it says, "You're the best," which could like make me cry. That's like the sweetest thing because my dad said that to me every single day.
Darn it, we're trying to get to some waterfalls and it says the road's closed.
Oh no!
We're gonna have to figure out how to go somewhere.
How cute, Bridalveil bed and breakfast right here. So most of all the trails are closed, but we're so excited we saw a waterfall off the side of the road, so we're gonna go check it out. But it's pouring rain, so we're all preparing. Jake's putting all the camera gear in bags so it doesn't get soaking wet. Holy crap! They're beautiful. They're by a bridge. This is seriously so epic.
I know.
This is incredible!
cutie.
It's so beautiful.
I know.
Like dying over how green and mossy. Oh, hey, you two. Just getting some photos for Tuna's Instagram?
Yeah.
Jake, what do you think of Shepherd's Dell?
So awesome. I'm so glad we got to see some waterfalls.
I know, me too. We were worried that we wouldn't be able to see any of them, but
Maybe all closed.
yeah, but this one's really awesome because it's literally just like right next to the road. You can see it when you're driving by. So,
Yep.
you want to see if we can find any more?
Yeah, let's go see.
Okay.
Yay!
We're here at the Bridge of the Gods.
It's pretty cool and it's raining out.
It is. It's like really coming down, but I'm so sad. This is the end of our trip. This is
I
our
know.
last stop.
And now we're just heading to the airport.
We do. We got about an hour drive and got to get to the airport and go home.
Yeah, but thanks for joining us on our adventures.
It's been super fun. Hope you've enjoyed seeing a little bit of Oregon with us.
We love it.
I know. I like really want to move here. It's so amazing.
It's pretty
like,
cool.
where can you live that has all this gorgeous rain, greenery, huge trees,
All
snow,
nearby, awesome food.
ocean, great food. I mean, it's got everything. It's amazing.
Yeah, we love it. Thanks for joining.